Have you heard the news? A whisper that became a shout across the digital world. The message is simple and terrifying. An asteroid will strike Earth in 2026. This claim has traveled from phone to phone, screen to screen, igniting a spark of fear in many hearts. We look up at the vast dark sky and wonder what might be hurtling toward us, unseen. Is our time running out? Is this how our story ends? This kind of worry is perfectly natural. The universe is a grand and powerful place, and we live on a small, fragile planet. But fear is not a good guide. We need facts. We need science. Let's take a deep breath and begin a journey of discovery. This essay is your guide through the noise. We'll count down the top 5 myths of the 2026 asteroid claim and answer each with a clear, verifiable fact. Think of it as a cosmic fact-checking mission. We'll look at truth, not scary headlines. A dedicated global team keeps watch every night. These sentinels share data publicly, not from secret labs, but in the open, so we can find, track, and assess real risks. The goal isn't to dismiss concerns, but to inform them. You'll see how planetary defense is advancing, replacing fear of the unknown with understanding. Let's begin. The first myth feels like a movie plot. A giant, doom-bringing rock, perfectly hidden in the dark. It appears too late, a phantom from cosmic shadows. This story suggests our best scientists are blind, and our instruments are useless against stealthy threats. Humanity caught by surprise with no warning. Reality is different. Our night watch is vigilant. Every night, a network scans the heavens. It's coordinated and global. NASA's Planetary Defense Coordination Office and ESA's Space Safety Program. They hunt for tiny points moving against fixed stars. New objects are cataloged, their brightness and position recorded. Then their paths are calculated and tracked. Think air traffic control for the solar system. Discoveries get provisional designations, then others confirm and refine the orbit. With more data, we forecast decades, sometimes centuries. Big objects near Earth's path are flagged as PHAs, which means attention, not doom. PHAs get top priority monitoring, making a 2026 sneak attack extremely unlikely. Smaller rocks can surprise, but not planet killers. The massive ones are brighter and easiest to find. Over 95% of 1-kilometer asteroids are known. None are threats for the foreseeable future. Certainly not 2026. The sky isn't a mystery. It's under study. Myth: a hidden giant will ambush us. Fact: the watch is constant and effective. Another myth feeds our deepest anxieties, that any asteroid impact is a global apocalypse, an extinction-level event. We imagine the dinosaur killer, darkness and chaos. Headlines equate asteroid with total destruction. But that's an oversimplification. The effect depends on size, and most are very small. About 100 tons hit daily, mostly dust. Pebble-sized rocks burn up, becoming beautiful shooting stars, not threats. Larger bolides blaze brilliantly, like Chelyabinsk in 2013. Windows shattered, injuries. But it was local, not global. Serious ground damage needs tens of meters across. Global catastrophe requires number 1 kilometers or more. These colossal rocks are rare. The Dino impactor was about 10 kilometers wide. That scale is a 100-million-year rarity, not a once-in-a-century event. Surveys have found the overwhelming majority, and none target Earth in 2026, where world-enders sit at the rarest extreme. Myth: every impact ends civilization. Fact: size and frequency matter. Most encounters are beauty, not danger. Perspective replaces panic, and awe replaces fear as we understand the real risk. A bleak myth says we'd be helpless, like dinosaurs, just waiting for the end. A passive victim of cosmic chance. But that idea is out of date. We have science, and we're already testing defenses. NASA's DART was the milestone. In 2022, a probe slammed into Dimorphos at over 14,000 miles per hour. The goal: a tiny nudge in its orbit, but the orbit changed by 32 minutes. Far more than predicted. Humanity purposefully changed a celestial object's motion. Kinetic impactors work. With years of warning, we can nudge a threat. Early discovery is key. Gravity tractors, focused sunlight, and lasers. Options under study. Brilliant minds are on it now. We are not helpless. We're becoming guardians of our planet. ESA's Hera follows up DART to survey the aftermath in detail, refining deflection models with hard data. Meanwhile, Earthside exercises plan responses, evacuations, coordination, communications, improving readiness over time. New surveys like Rubin will see more sooner. Detection plus deflection plus planning. Capability. We're moving from fiction to action. When scared, suspicion grows, and we imagine hidden truths leading to the cover-up myth that agencies know of a coming impact, but hide it to prevent panic. A thriller trope, not reality. Silence isn't proof of plots. Science thrives on open collaboration and shared observation. NASA and ESA publish findings, including CNEOS and ESA's NEOCC, public to all. You can see the same data, orbits and close approaches, and risk ratings. A cover-up would require thousands silent, including amateurs worldwide. Independent confirmations would leak instantly. A real threat would break fast. Extraordinary claims demand public evidence. Solutions require open collaboration. As one mission lead put it, if a real threat existed, we'd tell people. We'd need their help. The aim is solutions, not panic. Myth. A grand conspiracy hides the sky. Fact. Many eyes, open data, instant sharing. That's how planetary defense works. Transparency is our shield, and cooperation our strength. The truth thrives in daylight. Now to the number one myth. An asteroid will definitely hit in 2026. It spreads because it's absolute and scary. No name, no size, no location, just doom. It's powerful misinformation. No credible evidence supports a guaranteed 2026 impact. No agency or observatory has announced such an event. Official risk tables from NASA and ESA show no significant probabilities in 2026. Real risks have names like Apophis or Bennu, tracked, modeled, discussed. Science speaks in probabilities, refined as observations improve. Certainty claims are a red flag. At first, orbits are fuzzy, sometimes including tiny impact odds, then they tighten, usually ruling impacts out. Many objects briefly raise concern, then are cleared as data improves. Real alerts are cautious and numeric. Trust official channels, not anonymous memes. The 2025 certainty is baseless. No data, no sources, no backing, a rumor with no substance. Evidence shows 2026 is clear and safe. How do we actually find and track these rocks? It starts with wide-field survey telescopes, photographing large swaths repeatedly. Computers compare frames, flagging moving points of light, comet or asteroid. Positions go to the minor planet center, bringing the object into study, and the real work begins. A global call triggers follow-up, because one sighting tells little. Several nights yield an initial orbit. Kepler and Newton guide the math, but the first orbit is a draft, with a cone of uncertainty. Sometimes that cone crosses Earth. That's where precise risk terms matter. PHAs are big enough and near enough to watch. Potentially is the key word. Initial odds can be 1 in 10,000 or 1 in a million. Low odds mean a miss is almost certain. Observations shrink uncertainty, usually dropping impact probability to 0. Then it's removed from risk lists, but still tracked routinely. A steady, proven process. Data replaces anxiety, clarity replaces fear, and we rest on evidence. We began with a frightening claim. We traveled through myths and examined the facts. The sky is watched. Not every rock is a planet killer. Humanity is not helpless. The data is public, and the 2026 claim lacks any basis. The real story is discovery and stewardship. Fear thrives without information. Ask, where did this come from? Is it a recognized scientific source? Check NASA's NEO page and ESA's portal. They inform without hype. Share facts instead of fear. Be a voice for reason. Help others navigate the noise. The cosmos can make us feel small, but our cooperation makes us capable. We can nudge asteroids and chart the heavens. We are curious, resilient, and relentless problem solvers. We watch the skies for future generations. So, sleep well in 2026. The Sentinels are on duty. They watch out of curiosity and care, not because the universe is against us. Keep looking up, not with fear, but with wonder.